Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this drop-in effect. Clip 1. Take a video of your background. Clip 2. Capture a video of your outfit. Now take a screenshot of the first frame of Clip 2. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your videos on InShot. Press Sticker. Tap Picture to import the screenshot from your camera roll. Press the cutout button to remove the background. Resize your sticker so it's the same size as the subject. Now trim the length of your sticker. Add a keyframe at the end. Now scroll to the start of the sticker and drag it upwards till you can't see it. And you'll get this engaging intro to your outfit video. Will you try this drop-in effect? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.